All right, so today we have a COB cordless sensor light 2-pack. So these you can set somewhere and they basically just cut on when motion's detected. Pretty cool. Special thanks to the company for sending these out to me. 360-degree motion sensor light 2-pack. Not a lot going on with the box. Let's get them out and then set them up and see how they work. Look in here, little instruction manual. COB cordless sensor lights, 3 AA batteries not included. Note number 1. So we take them out. Ah, okay, that's pretty cool. So there's an auto, off, and an on. I may actually put these up on our front porch or something. I actually may have a use for these. These look like double-sided sticky pads. Yep, so one there. Probably just stick right there, so that makes it pretty easy. Oh, and then there's also a set of screws for each one. And that's it for the box. And here's the other one. Like I said, I might put these on my front porch. Not a lot of people walk up on my front porch, and so I think in an auto setting, oh, they're magnetic. Wow, I don't know how I missed that the first time. Very cool, okay. So on would just have them on all the time, and off is of course off, but auto would use the sensor and would brighten it up. And I think if I had one of these on each side of my deck, that would work pretty good. So looks like to get to the batteries, you just twist, and there's where your 3 AA batteries go in. So not too bad. Grab some AAA batteries and then try these out and see how they work. All right, so now with the magnetic base, let's take these out and throw in our 3 and 1. Oh, this one's already on auto, so we'll move it to off. There we go. And then we'll screw this back on like so. And then our magnet. So let's do the other one. All right, let's put these out front. And so I'm going to flip this to auto. There we go. And then I'm going to kind of angle this one right here this way. And then this one I'm also going to flip to auto, and I'm going to kind of angle it right here. So they should automatically cut on when I walk up my stairs here at my house. And we'll see tonight exactly how bright these are. But there is our lights. Got this one over here as well. They definitely put off a nice amount of brightness. There's a bit of the wide view, and you can see the wide view here. We've got some nice storms today. This is the lights. These are set to auto. You know, you can kind of see. Show you my dark yard. And then, man, that storm's right above me. And then you can see how much light this is putting off. That's just this one light over here. And so when I add this one to the mix, there's 2 lights there. So these would be great. You're able to mount them with the double-sided tape or the screws, and just keep your 3 AAA batteries in there, and these motion activated lights will cut on whenever you need them.